Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Students and Their Teacher. A moral story: a teacher has to be efficient as he molds his students' lives. A teacher taught quickly. His students often requested, "Sir, please teach us at a slower pace so we can follow everything well." But the teacher paid no heed and continued in his quick way. He did not have the patience to delve into each and every concept with the students. One day, a student began pouring water into a pot with a hole in its bottom. The teacher said, "It is useless to fill this pot as it cannot retain any water." The student explained, "Similarly, it is useless to teach quickly as your students are not able to retain it. We pray that you will listen to our request." Realizing his mistake, the teacher changed his method of teaching. He started explaining all concepts slowly and became popular amongst the students for being a patient teacher. The student who taught him to mend his ways became his favorite student.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.